SheaMoisture 100% virgin coconut oil head-to-toe body moisturizer and leave-in treatment as a skin and hair care regimen providing nourishing head-to-toe hydration. Soften and restore hair and skin with this coconut oil moisturizer by SheaMoisture. An all-over, multi-benefit skin and hair care product that helps with moisture retention and smooth skin. Fast-absorbing coconut oil can be used without leaving a greasy residue. The leave-in deep conditioner nourishes for softer hair, while the body moisturizer smooths dry skin. Use 100% virgin coconut oil head-to-toe body moisturizer and leave-in conditioner to protect hair and skin. Coconut oil helps revitalize skin and hair with a healthy glow. All SheaMoisture hair products, including this moisturizer and leave-in conditioner, are sustainably produced and cruelty-free. Soften Restore. Enjoy head-to-toe nourishment with our 100% extra virgin coconut oil moisturizer and leave-in conditioner. Together, we give back. With every purchase, you support our mission to reinvest back in our communities. Tried, true cruelty-free. Tested on friends and family for generations, and never on animals. SheaMoisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker. We honor the vision of this pioneering mother and entrepreneur by continuing to formulate with raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. The hairspray was as expected for and smells really good.